Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Outlook keyboard shortcuts? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser you prefer and go ahead and search for Outlook and click on the first link right over here. Now there are a couple of keyboard shortcuts that you can go ahead and use. If you don't know any kind of keyboard shortcut, all you need to do is just press the question mark on your keyboard, and what happens is all the shortcuts are going to be shown to you. So as you can see, this is just a little article that is written by Microsoft. These are the basic ones that is normally used. So as you can see, there is forward messages, go to calendar, select reply all option, reply to email, and bunch of other stuff. You can simply go ahead and do that, or if you need to understand what keyboard shortcuts are available, just click on your question mark button, and as you can see, all of it is going to be shown. Or if you don't want to do that, just press Alt and you can go ahead and use keyboard tips. As you can see, it's just going to go ahead and show you what it is. So there you go. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.